Okay, testing gas pressure on a water heater, on any water heater. Any water heater you want to test the gas pressure on, you're going to want to know the static and dynamic pressure. On the side of the water heater or on the front plate, somewhere, there's going to be a sticker and it will have the requirements for the gas. Now this particular model is an LP, so the max inlet pressure we want is 13 inches of water column and the minimum is 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the gas pressure, make sure it's not too high, and then we'll run some water. When we run some water, the unit will fire up and draw in some gas and the pressure will drop. We need to make sure it doesn't drop too low. If it drops too low, we may have a supply issue. Okay, easiest place to test gas from is from a gas port that's set up for you to test. Here we have a T with a small little brass fitting in there, and we can take that out. The gas is off, so when we take this out, we don't get a whole lot of gas blown at us. Okay. Now we're going to use a barb fitting, and we'll just tighten that down into this fitting here, and zero out your manometer, plug your tube in on top, and then we'll turn the gas on. 9.84. Okay. Now we're going to turn the water faucet on. Then the heater will fire up. Watch it drop a little bit as it pulls in the gas. And it's running at 9.65, 9.67. That's our dynamic pressure, 9.7, okay. And we'll shut that back off. Okay, so our gas pressure is okay on this unit. If it were dropping too low during the active phase of the water heater firing, we would probably say we had a supply issue or maybe a regulator issue, and we can get that checked out and have a contractor inspect that. If the pressure is just not high enough, then we may need to look at the meter or wherever the water heater is getting its supply from, and we can get that adjusted properly. But this one's okay, so we'll just go ahead and shut the gas off, and we'll put it back into service.